The earth gave birth to life. Nature raised human beings and gave us precious resources. Human beings have transformed it into energy with innovative technology and completely changed our lives. As the concept of energy conservation and environmental protection is increasingly popular, DHB can't help thinking about how to use its own strength to respect and protect nature and build a harmonious earth home between man and nature. For 20 years, DHB has been looking for the answer. DHB has provided innovative solutions in the field of boilers, pressure vessels, energy conservation, and environmental protection for many well-known enterprises around the world. DHB covers an area of more than 80,000 square meters and can manufacture Class A boilers and Class A2 pressure vessels. At the same time, we have almost all the certificates of special equipment and quality systems at home and abroad. Our products range from pressure parts to complete boilers, from module assembly to boiler accessories. We cover most fields of the industry, and all this embodies the infinite wisdom and sincerity of the DHB people. This is what we have always been proud of, and the best embodiment of DHB's innovation and manufacturing capabilities. With the vigorous promotion of the concept of environmental protection and conservation, DHB is committed to the design and manufacture of biomass boilers, waste incineration boilers, and HRSGs. Professional and dedicated, we hope that through our excellence, we can provide the best service and create the greatest value for every trusted partner of DHB. Our products are rich and diverse, which can meet the needs of all partners and customers. Quality creates value, while science and technology help enhance value. DHB has an efficient management team and a professional technical R&D team to provide customers with the whole process service from design and manufacturing to installation, maintenance, and transformation. We always adhere to the spirit of professional and efficient innovation, make breakthroughs, and apply unremitting efforts to achieve the best level of product, adhere to scientific and technological innovation, and promote energy conservation and environmental protection. This is the work that DHB has always practiced since its establishment. Openness, communication, cooperation, and win-win results. We firmly believe that excellence can only be achieved through constant exploration. DHB cooperates with the Chinese Academy of Sciences to introduce the industry-leading dual-fluidized bed decoupling combustion technology, which meets major needs of energy conservation and emission reduction in light industry. At the same time, it has established close cooperation relations and R&D and production bases with scientific research institutions such as Xi'an Jiaotong University. We have leading automatic production equipment and perfect high-precision testing equipment at home and abroad, so that we can provide partners with higher quality products and better services. Technology comes from the world, and services will face the world. Today, DHB's products have been distributed in 36 countries and regions around the world. We are deeply honored to have the support and trust of many partners, and we will continue to be committed to this, providing more customers with more perfect overall solutions, so that partners can develop better, the environment can be more pleasant, and employees and enterprises can develop together and realize their own value. DHB is people-oriented and always interested in achieving win-win situations for enterprise, employees, customers, and partners, and to keep moving forward. These are the core values of DHB. DHB is looking forward to working with you to create a better future.